Now we'll show you a few glimpses of various things that we do. This is a picture of the social mobilization. This is again a picture showing education going on, education and literacy. These are the schools that we are running, health centers, economic development activities. This is one of the pictures of the dam. This is one of the dams that we have made. On the left side you find one of the health centers. This is a health center constructed by us, and it has a proper water purification plant which is run by solar system. It is in Mardan. Now my main subject on which I want to dilate, and as I said, holistic. I am not just talking. I want to tell you that what I am saying, we are doing it on ground, and the results are coming about. So that is what I want to show you. Here, our first and foremost partner is FFBL. It is Fauji Fertilizer Bin Qasim. We have selected a few villages around their plant in Bin Qasim, about 6 villages, and there we are adopting a holistic approach, starting with social mobilization, education. They had primary school, so what they lacked was school for the girls, for secondary level. So we have opened a school. The school has already opened there. It is functional. We are constructing its building now. We have provided we are in the process of providing one. We have already provided a plant, a very sophisticated plant of clean drinking water, safe drinking water. It has that process of reverse osmosis because the water there is brackish, and we are developing talent because that is what the CSR looks forward to. It is there to develop the skills of the people, and some of those skills will be utilized by the corporation themselves. So we are going to produce some skills in the people around that factory, that plant, which are going to be utilized by the plant itself, and some of them will go here and there and seek employment or maybe do their own work. So the community is also made participatory in the process. They are participating because in the process of social mobilization they have been involved thoroughly into the whole process, and that is why we feel that this is going to be a sustainable process which will go for a long time to come. Now I'll show you a few pictures. These are some of the pictures of FFBL project. This is the school of the girls that I talked about. This is the health center. We are going to construct these, but we have just opened so far in whatever place we could find. This is that purification plant that I said. It has that process of reverse osmosis. Now, Human Development Foundation has never stayed back when there were calamities. Whenever there was a calamity in this country, HDF had to step into the arena to do something for this country, for the poor people of this country. It started back in year 2000 when there was drought in Balochistan, and HDF had first done the basic distribution of things and recovery and all that, relief and recovery, and then we always look forward to sustainability, and then we had made that as our region, and today it's going on. So when there was earthquake, we had gone and done all that stuff that was needed, and we are still there helping those people in Muzaffarabad area. We have not left them. We are with them for all times to come. Then the Samar Bagh is a village. Samar Bagh is a model village that we are creating in Mardan. Here again, now the point that I want to bring home here, this village got destroyed in floods of 2010. Here HDF is partnering with APNA, that is the Association of Doctors in America, Faisal Bank. HDF is put in 54% of the funds in it. 46% funds have been given by APNA, And Faisal Bank has come forward, and they are, they helped us in enhancement of our health center, and also supporting running of our school. Here, when we talk of the model villages, the model village that we conceive is a people-centric village where every child goes to school, every individual, every person living in that community has access to basic health care and basic amenities of life. Now in Samarbagh, whereas we have opened a school, whereas we have opened, constructed and running a health center, the picture that I had shown to you, we are doing street pavements, we have community health center, community center where people will come and get connected with the world and all that. So park for the children and all that you think. Actually we want this village, these villages that we are creating to be villages of the future, and that is why we are calling them Misali Bastis. So here is an example of holistic, that we are getting people with us, and also that we are doing all facets of development together. Next, some of the pictures of Samarbagh. The housing, we have made about 193 of such houses for the people, all the houses that had got destroyed. We have rebuilt those houses for them. Next, this is how the village, wherever they were, the houses were broken, destroyed, so we made them those houses. So you can see in the picture all those houses with having those blue water tanks on top are the ones that we have made for them. Next, this is that health center that we have made in Samarbagh. Next is Budapur. Budapur is a village in Jamshoro district. Here again we have followed the same concept, the same holistic model, and here the partners are HDF, MetLife Alico. MetLife Alico, gentlemen, is an international insurance company, and Rotary Club Karachi Sunset Millennium. Now here again we pumped in the bulk of the money, about 55%, and rest of the money has been given to us by MetLife. And then Rotary Club came, they visited and they saw, and they thought that they also needed to contribute in this good cause. So they have given us the money to construct, and they have monitored themselves. So we have constructed a school, and the school which was all destroyed has been shifted in that school building. Then they are now also helping us in constructing a health center over there. Here again, I'll not repeat all facets of development, and here again we have partners with us to do the job. Some of the pictures, these are the pictures of the things that we have done in Budapur. Filtration plant. Next is Basti Makora. This is a village in Rahim Yar Khan district. Here HDF is one partner. Rhode Island Pakistani Community USA has come forward and supported us in this cause. So here again, partnership, collaboration, and all facets of development are being done in this village, like the other model villages. Pictures, some of the pictures. This is the health center that we have constructed. It's now running. This picture was taken when it was just completed. Next is Sadiq Mado, a village in Tanno Muhammad Khan. Again, this village was destroyed during the floods, and here again HDF is partnering with Ohio Pakistani Community of USA. They have come and partnered with us. And there is another here, I forgot to mention, here HDF Canada is also our partner in this project. Again, all facets of development. Here you can see the pictures. The first time that I had gone, you see myself sitting with the community praying the first day when we did the groundbreaking ceremony, and then we've made all those houses and we've installed that filtration plant. Here, since there wasn't any electricity in this village, so we have provided solar electricity in this village. We are in the process, some of it has been provided, and we are in the process. So every house has 4 bulbs and 1 pedestal fan which runs on solar. Next. Now, all that I have said needs to be implemented. And how to do it? But that's a very big question. And that is, get on one platform. Please don't do things in isolation. Get together. I offer platform of HDF. Come, sit with us. We'll carry out the need assessment. We have a complete department which does the survey, and wherever we go, we start our work, we first carry out a proper baseline survey. Because unless you do the baseline and unless you do the subsequent surveys and impact studies, you would not know what impact you are making. The basic reason that no impact is showing up in Pakistan is just because people are just going, throwing things around, sprinkling of one item here, sprinkling of another item there, and end result is that nothing is visible. A lot of work is going on. The government is doing a lot of work. Many people are doing a lot of work. Corporate sector is doing a lot of work. So please sit on one platform, carry out the need assessment, and then make your strategies and then implement them with the collaborations, help of each other. Need assessment means where to go, what to do. That means that you have to really take into account the geographical and thematic areas of development. Holistic approach you must follow. Create model villages. Now, we think that if we have to work, flash them all together. We must create model villages, and then having created model villages, we must create sustainable hubs of sustainable communities in union councils, and then a few of the hubs created in union councils will make a district a model district. Now this is a diagrammatic representation of what we say. Now what we want to say is that please come and join hands with others, not necessarily with Human Development Foundation. I am not here to sell just what HDF does, but what I am trying to say is that if you love Pakistan, and that's why I started with that picture, that such a beautiful country that God has given us and where we stand today. So if we really have some dard in our heart, some love lost for our country, please keep Pakistan in the center and do something for this country. Join hands, do with collaborations. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.